think I'm a bird watcher, dudes. This is the first pigeon-like brown dove thing. Most of them are little finches or sparrows. They've been having a hell of a time over there, having the sex of a lifetime. It's the season of the birds and the bees. Oh, they got a little. Oh, they got a little wood. They got some stuff in their beak to make their nest. Time to build house. One of them was walking funny. I think they had too much sex. They're like, okay, we're done with sex. The baby's coming. I need to build.